Hi everyone, teacher and coordinators, and welcome to this video, or shall I say a mini TED Talk. And for these videos, I choose the consumer decision-making process to talk about. And to start with, let's answer the question, what is the consumer decision-making process? Well, according to the Alina in the Journal of International Business Research and Marketing, this is a process by which consumers evaluate making a purchasing decision, and the consumer decision-making process involves five basic steps. Go from left to right. The five steps are needs recognition, which are where the consumer recognizes the need for a service or the product itself. And next, we have the information search and alternative evaluation, which is when the consumer weighs choices against comparable alternatives. And then there is a purchase decision when they make an actual purchase. And finally, the post-purchase evaluation is what reflects on the purchase they made, or simply when the brand or shop has customer service afterward, care about how the buyers use and feels about the products and service. While an asset process, the steps need to be done in the correct orders, or otherwise the result will be inefficient. Without step 1, there will be no step 2. So first, let's dive into step 1 of the process, need recognition. And as I explained earlier, at this stage, the product needs to be known by the consumer. And as seen in the market, many companies do not have or skip marketing campaigns and activities before launching their product into the market. And as a result, when customers enter a retailer store or simply go to the online store, most of them do not understand the products and lack knowledge about its function, which leads to the fact that they will not be willing to use the product or buy the product and have no interest in and hence would choose other brands over them. Simply called the pre-launch marketing, here's the example for the first step. VinFast lead have record-breaking pre-sale campaigns on Vietnam's first ever electric vehicle. From choosing a target audience to build a creative strategy, VinFast has planned to advertise electric car products 1 year before the time for the consumer to order car. Within a year, the company focuses on promoting the car's production process, its technology, or event that the new product line will participate in, thereby attracting the attention of viewers. Even when close to the date of the opening car orders, VinFast continues with event for those interested to visit and see the product more carefully. Moving on to the next step, the information search. This is when the buyers start to study the company product. The brand needs to provide clear product information in searchable sales channel, not only in the direct sale channel or websites. Sometimes to be more objective, the product also need article on shopping forums or analysis article by expert in the field or newspaper. For example, here, let's look at VinFast website. The brand separate a category about car reviews so that user can express their opinion, resulting the website being more objective. Or look here, the company clearly divide the headings about lines of electric cars and electric motorbikes, so that users can read about the information of each product itself. Or simply a customer care booth of the brand general store, partly to meet customers who like to talk face-to-face, or partly for customers to directly see and acquire product knowledge. And next, we have the alternative evaluation, which weighs choices against comparable alternatives. This is a state where brands show buyers the value of each product, the difference that make the brands. And take a look at VinFast's website. With the core of its electric car and electric motorbikes being electric instead of gasoline, the company emphasizes in its slogan that it is a sustainable company working for a sustainable future with environmentally sustainable products. Moreover, with the brand name at the top of the slogan, VinFast, the company re-emphasizes that this is a product of a Vietnamese company and concentrates that Vietnamese people use Vietnamese products. Moving on, we have the purchase decision stage. By reaching this stage, your company has succeeded in making your product the best option in the thoughts of customers, providing them with the information about the product that they want to know and need to know. Therefore, the achievement is that the product is purchased. And at the final stage, we have the post-purchase evaluation. Though being the last step to reach in the process after the consumer bought the products, after-purchase service is still an important aspect to be focused on. This part of the consumer decision-making process involves reflection from both the consumer and the seller. As a seller, you should try to get the following question. Did the purchase meet the need the consumer identified? Is the consumer happy with the purchase? And how can you continue to engage with this customer? In general, many companies lack a post-purchase evaluation. Even though they provide support after the purchase, sometimes they do not ask if the customer is satisfied with the solution. That's why the outstanding shortcomings will hardly be fixed and the company can hardly improve. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for listening and watching my very first mini TED Talk. Bye!